I'm Michelle, and I'm going to show you how to install your car seat on your Caboose Ultralight Stroller. So you can see we already have the car seat adapter on. Next, you want to recline the seat to the second recline position. Then you're ready to put your car seat in. You want to snuggle the base down into the seat while the top of the car seat is rested on the car seat adapter. Once it's nice and secure there, you're going to want to pull out the car seat restraining straps from the little pockets on each side. You're going to go over your car seat and attach it. Now your car seat is very secure. It's not going anywhere.